Welcome to the Google Student Researcher Program for Winter-Summer 2024. We're excited to offer PhD students like you an incredible opportunity to collaborate with our world-class research teams. As a student researcher, you'll work on critical research projects, collaborating directly with Google research scientists and engineers. The projects are open-ended and exploratory, allowing you to innovate and contribute to the next generation of intelligent systems for all Google products. The program offers flexibility beyond traditional internships in terms of duration, time commitment, and working location. Whether on-site or remote, you'll engage in groundbreaking research that addresses real-world, large-scale problems. First, to be eligible, you need to be currently enrolled in a PhD program in fields such as computer science, linguistics, statistics, biostatistics, applied mathematics, operations research, economics, natural sciences, or related technical fields. Additionally, you should have experience in areas like natural language understanding, computer vision, machine learning, deep learning, algorithmic foundations of optimization, quantum information science, data science, software engineering, or similar fields. You'll have the flexibility to choose your preferred working location from a variety of vibrant cities across the United States. Our locations include Goleta, Mountain View, Ann Arbor, Austin, Cambridge, Chicago, Irvine, Kirkland, Los Angeles, Madison, New York, Palo Alto, Pittsburgh, San Bruno, Seattle, San Francisco, Sunnyvale, and Washington, D.C. Preferred qualifications include being enrolled in a full-time degree program in the U.S., having prior research experience, contributing to research communities, and proficiency in programming languages like Python, Java, JavaScript, or CC. Strong communication skills in English are also important. The U.S. base salary range for this full-time position is $109,000 to $145,000 depending on your role, level, and location. This range reflects the minimum and maximum target salaries, with specifics provided by your recruiter during the hiring process. Remember, this is just the base salary and does not include bonuses, equity, or benefits. For more information about our benefits, visit our website. Ready to take the next step in your research career? Apply now to join our Student Researcher Program and contribute to groundbreaking projects at Google. We can't wait to see what you'll achieve. Thank you for your interest in the Google Student Researcher Program. For more details and to apply, visit our careers page. See you at Google. For career opportunities in data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence research roles, subscribe and apply at karkidi.com, a dedicated job search and application platform.